Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the icons for free from the Flaticon website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to open the Flaticon website. So as you can see, here's the Flaticon website. I'm going to open this. So as you can see now, simply what we need to do, we have to search for the icon. So as you can see now, you have to search that what an icon of the flag. So let's click on this icon. So I'm going to search for the flag, and then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing enter, you will be able to see the different types of flags. As you can see now, these are the results, and as you can see in this quantity you will be able to get results. If you want to download these, simply you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, here's a png option, so we have to click on the png, and then you have to click on the free download, and it will be automatically downloaded. So as you can see now it's done. In this way you can download the icons for free from the Flaticon website. So as you can see now it's done. If you want to open this image, you can also do that. It will be in a great quality. So as you can see now, as you can see, it's in a great quality, and this is also in a png mode. So in this way, you can download the different types of icons from the Flaticon website. You can download any kind of icons from this website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.